All right, thank you for joining. Today we'll go over Dogecoin, DOGE, USDT on the Binance chart. And boy, oh boy, can we say bearish or can we say bearish? Dogecoin is looking extremely bearish, just like the rest of the crypto market. A ton of liquidity to the downside. Clear target should be 4 cents. Not sure how long it'll take to get there, but in my opinion, that's where Dogecoin is heading. We had a very nice impulse to the upside, right into what looks like the 618. I guarantee you that it is. Go ahead and pull the fib from the top to the bottom. Look at that. So anybody that says these fibs don't work, if someone was only trading based off fibs, look at this respect for Dogecoin since its all-time high at around 73 cents to the lows of the last bear market, 5 cents. It came right back into the 618 before selling off completely. Anyone that shorted from here would be in the money and extremely happy right now. So yeah, where is the final target? Right now, the big target for Dogecoin sits at about 8 cents, 8.5 cents. Clear monthly demand at this level too as well. And that's where I was looking to see if we can get a nice little reaction, similar to like what we got down here. So I'm expecting Dogecoin to test this 9 cents area, 10 cents before getting a nice reaction to the upside, right? If we go ahead and jump down into the weekly time frame, we can see that Dogecoin still, everything's just selling off, right? There's just 2 levels to watch for Dogecoin. It's the monthly demand here at 9 cents and the equal lows that sits at around 5 cents. Do I think it'll get there? Absolutely. I think it'll just take some time, maybe another year, a few months, but it looks like crypto is just clearly in a bear market, similar to what happened back in 2021. No one really knew, but I think this is what we're in right now, a bear market for crypto, and shorts are the best options when it comes to trying to print some money. Obviously not financial advice. But yes, Dogecoin is looking super bearish. Let's go ahead and jump down to the daily time frame, and nothing has changed for Dogecoin on the daily time frame. Still looks extremely bearish. Targeting the monthly demand, we had a nice impulse here, but it's still selling off, which means that that swing low will be a target, right? So we have to see how price reacts here, but I'm not really interested in a long for Dogecoin until we're back at around 9 cents to sweep these lows, right? If you could sweep these lows here at 9.5 cents for Dogecoin and start to hold this level, then I would think to enter long, aiming for higher prices, right? But until then, right now, Dogecoin just looks like every other crypto. Down, down, down it goes. And you just have to be smart, use risk management, and make sure that you know where your targets are, right? And overall main target for me on Dogecoin sits at around 5 cents, just because that's massive equal lows. Once you start to look at the weekly time frame, it just all lines up, right? All these lows have been protected. And that just looks like exactly where it's heading next. So once again, try not to keep things too complicated. Very straightforward for Dogecoin. It looks like it's going lower. I think it's going lower. The market's showing it's going lower. Sentiment says it's going lower. Geopolitical news says it's going lower. Everything says Dogecoin is going lower along with Bitcoin, right? I could even pull up Bitcoin right now. And you can see Bitcoin. Terrible, terrible, terrible chart on Bitcoin. Absolutely terrible. Bitcoin will be heading to 75,000. Absolutely terrible. So yeah, be patient and let's see how this all plays out. But as of right now, Dogecoin is going down. I could confidently say that, in my opinion, right? Will it happen? Does it have to happen? Absolutely not. Does not have to happen, but more than likely it will happen just based on everything I just mentioned before. And nothing looks bullish. Also, point of control of the entire range sits at roughly 8 cents, which is pretty much a magnet. So 8 cents, here we come. All right, well, thank you for joining. Remember to like and subscribe. Follow me on X. I try to post pretty often. yeah, that's pretty much it. Like and subscribe. Leave a comment below. Take care.